Have you ever wondered where the water you use every day goes once you're done with it? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of wastewater treatment, a crucial process that helps keep our environment clean and promotes sustainable living. Imagine the water cycle, not just as a natural phenomenon, but one that includes our man-made systems like wastewater treatment plants. Understanding the journey of water from our homes to the environment can change the way we view and use this precious resource. Every drop of water you use embarks on an incredible journey. It travels through pipes and pumps, undergoing a series of complex treatments before it returns to the environment. Our tale begins when wastewater is collected from various sources like homes, businesses, and industries. This water is then transported through a vast network of pipes and pumps to the nearest wastewater treatment plant. Here, the real magic begins. The first stage of this magical process is known as primary treatment. This is where the larger solids are removed from the wastewater. Think of it as a giant strainer, capturing all the big bits while letting the liquid portion continue on its journey. But don't worry, these solids aren't just discarded. They're often repurposed into biosolids that can be used in agriculture. Next, we move on to the secondary treatment, which is a bit more complex. This stage employs biological processes to remove the organic matter from the wastewater. Tiny microorganisms are the unsung heroes here, as they consume the organic waste, turning it into harmless byproducts. It's a feast for these little guys, and a big step towards clean water for us. Once the microorganisms have had their fill, the wastewater is ushered into the tertiary treatment. This is where any remaining impurities are removed. Depending on the specifics of the treatment plant, this might involve filtering the water through sand or activated carbon, or even treating it with UV light to kill any remaining bacteria. Finally, before the water is released back into the environment, it undergoes disinfection. This step ensures that any potentially harmful bacteria or viruses that might have survived the earlier treatments are eliminated. Consider this. Every time you flush the toilet, take a shower, or wash your dishes, you're setting in motion an intricate, carefully designed process that transforms wastewater into clean water. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our commitment to protecting the environment. As you can see, wastewater undergoes a rigorous cleaning process to ensure it's safe to return to the environment. In this rapidly evolving world, technology plays a key role in making the wastewater treatment process more efficient and sustainable. Let's take a closer look at some of the innovative technologies that are making waves in this field. First up is membrane technology. This isn't your everyday filtration system. It's a cutting-edge technique that separates unwanted substances from water at a molecular level. This not only purifies the water, but also helps in resource recovery, making it a win-win situation for both the environment and the economy. Next, we have biological nutrient removal processes. This is where biology and technology come together in a beautiful symphony. These processes use microorganisms to remove nutrients like nitrogen and phosphorus from the water. The result? Clean, safe water that can be returned to the environment, and the nutrients can be used in agriculture. It's Mother Nature's own recycling system, amplified by modern technology. Then there's the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These technologies help predict and manage the wastewater treatment process, optimizing it for utmost efficiency. They ensure that the process is cost-effective and reduces the environmental footprint. And let's not forget about the Internet of Things. Sensors and smart devices play a crucial role in monitoring and controlling the treatment process, ensuring that it runs smoothly and effectively. Indeed, technology has revolutionized the way we treat wastewater, making the process more sustainable and efficient. So what have we learned about the journey of wastewater? Well, we've discovered that wastewater treatment is an essential part of maintaining our environment and public health. It's a meticulously planned process, beginning with preliminary treatment to remove large debris, followed by primary and secondary treatments to extract smaller particles and harmful bacteria. Then we have tertiary treatment, which purifies the water to an almost pristine state, ready to be returned to nature. But the story doesn't end there. We've also explored how modern technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing these processes. From advanced filtration systems to ultraviolet light disinfection, technology has become our ally in ensuring clean and safe water for all. Innovative ideas and continuous research are pushing us towards more efficient and sustainable methods of wastewater treatment. The journey of wastewater, once considered a nuisance, now stands as a testament to human ingenuity. Remember, every drop of water counts. The next time you turn on the tap, think about the incredible journey that water takes and how we can all contribute to a cleaner and more sustainable world.